this reveal where I want to ask you saang aspeto ng real life nyo kayo super dad and super genius? At aling aspeto dito ang napaghugutan nyo para umatake dito sa series na to?
Lalim.
Ganda ng tanong, ha? Talagang pang finale. Okay. Sino may sagot? Let's start with... Okay, so...
Ha? Di ako artista.
So in what aspects are you bad and geniuses in real life? Okay. How about... Sige. Direct.
Okay, bad. Pinaka-bad ako sa bagay na tag dito. PlayStation. Sobrang addict ako sa PlayStation. Yeah. I mean, may mga, kapag wala akong work, yan yung mga tipong 3 araw nagising pa ako. Kakalaro yung PlayStation. Parang name a game. I'll give you what you should do. Gano'n. Yung tipo gano'n. Sobrang addict ako dyan. Yan yung, parang yan yung weakness ko.
Siguro same kay Direk. Pero in terms of play, sa computer naman, like I would say 4 a.m., 5 a.m. playing games from 4 p.m. So grabe ako maglaro. And at the same time, siguro weakness ko rin minsan is yung when you give instructions or kapag sa school, kung walang hindi ina-analyze or hindi pinapakita sa akin ng kung paano siya gawin, medyo hirap ako siyang intindihin. Not until pakita sa akin kung paano gawin, especially with film. Kung ituturo lang sa akin verbal, parang medyo malilito ako. Pero on the spot, kaya minsan mas gusto ko na, doing camera ops na talaga on the spot, shadowing mga POPs natin sa industry. Mas naiintindihan ko kasi yung bagay na yun. So, genius siguro, hindi ako magaling pero siguro comfortable ako sa pagbabasketball, sa sports. Some kind of physical activities, medyo may confidence akong gawin, comfortable akong gawin. And doing this job, siyempre, mahal ko to, gusto ko to. So, yeah, siguro dun ako genius. And
Para sa akin po, hindi naman bad, pero weakness would have to be that konting perfectionist ako. Meaning, I really pay attention to the details and I expect myself to be able to do the work that's needed. And in terms of genius, siguro po yung high school and college life po is very kind of like a nerd. I always tried to make sure I did my best with my school and my academics.
Siguro po, for the bad part, I think one of my weaknesses would just be trying my best all the time to balance everything. Especially as someone, I live alone and I can only take care of myself because all of my family is far away. I have a lot of moments where sometimes I feel like I wish I could have some guidance or like help and that's why I always do my best to be independent and to take care of myself, but I have a lot of help along the way. For the genius part, maybe in terms of that, I guess I'm good at trusting that eventually it'll all get figured out and trusting the universe and just myself. At the end of the day, I know that I can come back to myself and trust myself no matter what I'm dealing with. Thank you.
For me, siguro yung bad ko, I'm an overthinker. So, usually, yun nga, like, yung sinabi ni Tash, like, she's perfectionist, like, I want to always give 100%, and sometimes I feel like it's not enough pa. So, I always overthink kung tama ba yung ginawa ko or ano, and I always overthink kung meron pa akong better options na nagawa, ganun. So, yes, so genius, I'm a very competitive person, like, I love sports, so